Hello, everyone. Conflicts in business relationships can arise unexpectedly, especially in licensing and franchising. A franchisee might fail to meet quality standards, or a licensor could delay royalty payments. These disputes can escalate without effective conflict management strategies, damaging partnerships and business reputations. Dispute resolution methods like negotiation, mediation, and arbitration provide structured approaches to resolving disagreements while preserving trust. Understanding how to address conflicts effectively is vital for long-term success in licensing and franchising. These methods not only resolve issues but also help strengthen the professional relationships that drive mutual growth. Objectives of the lecture. In this lecture, we will examine common causes of disputes in licensing and franchising, learn the key features of negotiation, mediation, and arbitration, explore how to choose and apply the best method for resolving conflicts. Let's discover how businesses can turn conflicts into opportunities for collaboration and mutual success. Common causes of disputes in licensing and franchising. Disputes often stem from misunderstandings or unmet expectations. Contract ambiguities. Poorly written or vague contracts can lead to confusion. For instance, a licensee may interpret payment terms differently than intended. Non-compliance. Franchisees who fail to meet quality or operational standards can harm the brand. Territorial overlaps. When franchisees' territories are not clearly defined, competition between them can create tension. Termination issues. Disputes often occur when one party feels an agreement was ended unfairly. Recognizing these causes helps businesses address potential issues before they escalate. Techniques for resolving disputes. Several dispute resolution methods can be used depending on the situation. Negotiation. This is the least formal method, where parties meet to discuss their concerns and find a compromise. Effective negotiation requires active listening, clear communication, and a willingness to find the middle ground. Mediation. Mediation involves a neutral third party who helps both sides explore solutions. The mediator facilitates discussion, but does not impose a decision. This approach works well when emotions are high or communication has broken down. Arbitration. Arbitration is a more formal process where a neutral arbitrator reviews the dispute and makes a binding decision. It is faster and less costly than court litigation, but parties must agree to abide by the arbitrator's ruling. Mark's retail franchise conflict. Mark franchised his successful retail store, but a dispute arose when one franchisee needed to follow new inventory guidelines. Mark attempted direct negotiation, but tensions grew. Mediation helped resolve the issue by allowing both parties to express concerns. The mediator facilitated a compromise, ensuring future compliance without harming the franchisee relationship. Moral. Mediation provides a structured way to resolve disputes while preserving trust. Choosing the right method. The appropriate resolution method depends on the nature and intensity of the conflict. Negotiation is suitable when both parties are open to dialogue and willing to compromise. Mediation is ideal when communication has broken down and a neutral facilitator is needed to rebuild trust. Arbitration is best for complex disputes where a binding decision is necessary, especially if preserving the relationship is not a priority. Fixing a flat tire. Disputes in business relationships are like flat tires. Negotiation involves patching the tire yourself, which is quick and simple if the damage is minor. Mediation involves calling a mechanic for expert help. Arbitration involves replacing the tire entirely, which is more expensive but ensures the issue is fully resolved. Choosing the right approach prevents further damage and keeps the journey on track.